So you keep complaining about your pain down your IT band. Foam rolling and massage sticks feel good for short-term relief, but they're not solving the real issue because frankly, it's not the IT band giving you the pain. Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, chronic pain physical therapist at Rehab and Revive. Today, we're going to find out what really is going on and what you should do about relieving the pain for good. The misdiagnosis problem. Many people assume the pain down the lateral thigh is caused by the tightness or friction of the iliotibial band, the IT band. Yes, the IT band can be involved, but evidence shows it often isn't the primary pain generator. According to Physiopedia, IT band syndrome, ITBS, is one cause of lateral knee pain, especially in runners and cyclists. But the mechanism is usually friction or compression of soft tissue beneath the IT band, not the IT band itself, becoming the source of pain. Enter the nerve. Meet the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve. It's a sensory nerve rooted in the L2, L3 lumbar plexus of the lumbar spine. When that nerve is irritated or compressed, it can produce sensations of burning, tingling, numbness, or pain down the lateral thigh, mimicking IT band irritation. This condition is called meralgia paresthetica. One recent review said lateral thigh pain, often blamed on IT band syndrome, may actually involve this nerve entrapment. Why foam rolling the IT band can be the wrong thing. When the nerve is entrapped or adhered inside fascia or compressed under the inguinal ligament, aggressive foam rolling or massage on the IT band can further irritate the nerve by increasing friction or compression. Additionally, the IT band itself is a very strong fascia, relatively inelastic. So simply rolling it out doesn't change the underlying tissue mechanics significantly. The issue is often how other structures, nerve, fascia, hip muscles are interacting. Therefore, focusing solely on foam rolling the IT band may give temporary relief due to changes in local circulation or sensation, but doesn't fix nerve entrapment or fascial nerve adhesion. So what you need to do instead is to scrape. All right, so we could use any old scraping tool you guys may have at home, back of a spoon. We love our Ache Away products. They did not sponsor this video, but we love our Ache Away products. We are an affiliate. We have a promo code below for $25 off. We will link those in the descriptions box. This is their large scraper. I am going to use it just because if I'm doing it on myself, it's just an easier fulcrum for me. They have a mini scraper. I like this product too. This is easy for if you're just a runner and you're just on the go. You can put it in your purse or your workout bag. You can throw this in, but this one, it's a little bulkier. It comes in a little travel case. It's got a heating function. This vibrates as well. This vibrates as well and heats, but this one is like my go-to. So you want to bring a little chapstick or beeswax, and where the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve goes, comes from that L2, L3. A lot of times, if you even just touch back here, for a lot of you guys, it's tender, and you can trace this guy through the track. And a lot of you runners, a lot of you people who work out, you'll feel there's tenderness, and you want to roll this. It's tight. Now mine isn't too bad because I've worked it out over time, but your IT band should be able to do this. And this is a good model of what we call an efficient state, what my mentors would call, my mentor Greg Johnson would call an efficient play. That's good. If you guys can't do that, you need to be scraping. You need to be working this all the way through. Obviously, I'm not going to take off my pants here, but it goes all the way up. And your nerve it follows closely along this, and we'll have my editor place the nerve somewhere around there. And so we want to separate. So you want to get beeswax, chapstick, kind of place that, because then you can Get that through. Not all the way down. A lot of times you'll feel it in that lateral knee, lateral pain. You'll feel it burning. You foam roll. It feels good for the moment, but it's a great thing. Starting to vibrate. This also has a way to click it off where you stop vibrating. You may not notice that on video or the camera, but it's starting to heat. And so I can just do some downward. I like just a downward stroke because it deactivates the muscle. A lot of you guys who have seen my massage gun videos will notice I only do certain strokes a certain direction. It's a way to inhibit, and you don't have to push hard. I do it at about a 45-degree angle to my thigh. So if this is kind of like the angle, 45 degrees is all you do. So it's not just perpendicular and scraping. A good scrape has about 30 to 45 degree angle, and then I'm just going that way. Now, when you want to start getting that nerve to free up, you also kind of want to go in that direction, 45 degree. So you'll feel, so if I were to have, and I have a little bit, doesn't show that much, but this separates good. You'll see that this part, it's very small, and it doesn't separate all that well here. It's for you guys, it's those that have really poor IT band and nerve. It's like, just like when I move it, it just kind of comes together like this. Nice, nice, nice. And then it just doesn't. So this is where I would have a restriction, and it's probably the size of a dime. So this doesn't feel painful at all. And then I get to hear, ooh, that's like, there's even a little zing. So if I take this tool, no pain, no pain. It feels good, it feels good. But I get to hear, if I get to hear, there's a little pain. Now the cool thing about the Ache Away tool here is this little knife edge. And I want to go 45 degrees to this baby here. Ooh, it's heating up. And I don't know if you saw that. There's that little speed bump. Yeah, right there. That's that nerve, and it wants to kick me out. And I'm scraping. Ow. I can add a little bit more beeswax, chapstick, but I'm just kind of lightly just kind of going back and forth. And then soon it'll free up, which also means it's painful, but then all of a sudden the pain stops. That's what we do here at Rehab. Right? We're a nerve clinic, chronic pain nerve clinic, and you can do it also with your knee bent if you want. And then, yep, just freed up. I know it doesn't on camera; it's a lot harder to see, but now there's a lot more give. To me, in my eyes, it's a lot more, but that's a lot better. And if I run my tool over it, it's less sensitive overall. But 45 degree angle from the plane. So here's 90 degrees, 45 degree angle. First, kind of, if you want to do the IT band, you can do that part. And then the second step is then you kind of almost want to find that nerve restriction and go 45 degrees kind of backwards and up that way towards maybe what I would say your belly button. Go towards your belly button. Yep, that's it. Let us know your thoughts on our video. Leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter.